I felt like a dog in the world, looking for a bone in my girl. And I'm just trying to eat, and I feel like everybody wanna put me to sleep. I felt like a dog in the world, looking for a bone in my girl. And I'm just trying to eat, and I feel like everybody wanna put me to sleep. Yeah.
What's going on, Bully fam? This is a pre-breeding meal for your studs. You want to do this the night before you gotta breed your stud. This is gonna boost that semen. It's the semen booster recipe, and you do this for your stud before you gotta breed it. Guarantee you're gonna have nothing but swimmers. So this is everything you need. Everything gets bought on Amazon besides these. These are from the grocery store. You got a can of sardines and a can of tuna. The sardines is in oil. And I'm gonna mix it all up. Be right back. You got the sardines and the tuna in there. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of this, a capsule of this. I'm gonna actually take the powder out the capsule and pour it in, and 3 pumps of this. That's all you need. The day before, the night before, you can even do it the morning before you gotta breed it for your stud. And if you're wondering what's in it that's helping the semen, you got zinc, you got vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin C. You see the list of things. Magnesium, all those help with sperm mobility and motility. Then you got the fish oils, and then the celery seed extract. Do your research. All this helps with healthy sperm. So my boy, he had a breeding today. We have another one in the morning. We're gonna be ready to go.
She like to fuck with the dogs. We are like we don't know God. She like giving her life for the boss, yeah. She like to fuck with the dogs. We are like we don't know God. She like giving her life for the boss, yeah. She like to fuck with the dogs. We are like we don't know God. She like giving her life for the boss, yeah. She like to fuck with the dogs. We are like we don't know God. She like giving her life for the boss, yeah.